Kiss it. Kiss it.
I have a daughter.
Would you believe me if I told you I managed to get 3 kills with a flashlight here?
3 kills with a flashlight?
Yep.
Interesting. I have two confirmed pencil kills here. Got you with a pencil, by the way. Adam.
We're very accepting over here.
Transmission going. Yes, let's recreate birthday.
I got 7 like 11s, about 8, 38s, 9, 9, 10, Mac 10, the shit's never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and the...
That was my birthday video. That was a good one. I shot you in the vest!
No, you didn't! Show me the damn backpack right here!
Oh. Sorry that I can't see your vest. Your shitty $12 Amazon vest.
It was 80!
Hey, if it fits, it works.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Fuck. I like it when you put your fingers in me. I'm gonna go down these stairs. Dead man, dead man!